So, why are we just looking at the body?
You always look at your victims' bodies. Sometimes I pick my nose and put... Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go steal those people's chicken.
What? Okay, whatever.
Anyway, bye.
So that really happened? That's so crazy, bro.
Yeah, I know. My chicken literally almost got kidnapped.
Take this. See ya later. Flippin' hell. Stop. Bruh.
Enjoy this amazing scene while we wait.
Let's eat. Now.
A half.
My insides are burning.
Ow, it's
It
burning.
really hurts.
help
Please
me.
call an
It
ambulance.
actually hurts.
It burns.
I am supposed to make the pain not
I don't
feel.
approve of this. I
feel
want to go
like it
home.
hurts. Just
Help
like peeing
me,
away.
please.
Help
I
me.
just want